all my SoFi fam, and to all you haters out there who keep hating on me, telling me that I don't know what I'm talking about when it comes to what I see this stock personally doing. Guys, look, I'm not a bull nor a bear. I trade both sides of the market when it gives us when the market gives us moves to the upside and to the downside. Okay, I'm not just some YouTuber out here throwing out all these random different levels. I do play the levels that I'm giving if the setups that I'm watching, kind of give me what I want to see happen. Okay, so if you don't believe in technical analysis, this video is probably not for you. If you're one of these big time catalyst guys who thinks that the market needs to do something extravagant, or we need some big headline for the stocks to move, it's complete bullshit. Stocks are moving up and down every day. It's your responsibility as a trader to manage your risk, and it's your responsibility as a trader to find those pockets of strength and weakness to where you'll be able to make some money, either that's to the long side or to the downside. For all of you people that are swinging SoFi, all of you people that are long-term investing in SoFi, stock looks good. Okay, our clear level in the sand to the downside is going to be around that $14 area. Yesterday we were down in that area. You can see here, if I do pull up my little drawing tool, this bottom channel here is the linear regression channel. That price is going to correlate with around $13.91. You can see that we kind of came down almost to that level, this $14 area one time, came down two times. Yesterday had a little bit of a green close, and then today we got this surge up higher. So with that being said, if you watched my video from yesterday, I think that this is a potential good loading zone for a potential swing trade. Time frame anywhere from 1 to 3 months. Let's see this thing move. Can it get back to all-time highs in 3 months? Of course. Can it not do anything in 3 months? Of course. Can it go lower in 3 months? Sure, why not? Right? But what I'm looking at here on this chart is I'm looking for a close, or actually a breakthrough of today's highs, $15.28. Obviously, that's not going to be to the penny, but around that price. Currently, after hours, we are trading a little bit over that, so it's $15.40 right now. But what I do like on SoFi is we got this first close over the 5-day moving average. 5-day moving average for me is the shortest term sentiment that we can use. Who has control this week? Do the bulls have control, or do the bears have control? With this reclaim, this is going to put the bulls back in the driver's seat. Next price target is going to be 1558, and anything over 1558 can start testing. Okay, doesn't mean that it's going to get there in one day, but it can start testing the 20-day moving average. Stocks are going to trade from supply to supply and demand to demand. So this close over the 5-day moving average could take us to the next supply zone. That next supply zone, 10-day moving average. The 10-day moving average is the birth of the trade. This is when things can really start to pick up. If we get any close over $15.58, I'm confident to say that we could start trading sideways in a range, maybe consolidate a little bit, and start making that push up back towards $16.95, $17. I know for a lot of you guys that have been experiencing a little bit of pain on SoFi as of late, that's going to sound fantastic. So hopefully we can do that. However, the big area that we're going to need to clear out is going to be all of this supply here. That supply is going to take us up to around $18. That $18 level is going to get us over the 50 EMA, is going to get us back testing this 50-day moving average here at around $19.22. Any close above $19.22 is going to start to ramp up. The thing with these small cap stocks and these small movers, it only takes one day, 10% gain, 8% gain, and then the next day, 5% gain, 6% gain for these things to really start getting momentum. And if it gets momentum behind it and you get an influx of traders that are coming in, we can really start to see the price action move very, very aggressively. But what we need to have happen is we need to hold this 5-day moving average, and we absolutely need to hold this bottom range of $14. If we were to lose $14, $13.91, it messes up the whole chart. Okay, from a technical standpoint, it puts us back under all of the moving averages. It puts us back underneath supply. It puts the bears back in control. Bears have been shorting this very, very aggressively going back to around the middle of November. Okay, they've made their money. They've brought this thing off the highs of $24 all the way to lows of $14. they've done their job. Okay. They've made their money. If you're a bear still and you're still shorting this stock, where do you want it to go? $1? What do you want? You want five? What do you want this stock to be? $5? Like, there's a time to put your foot on the gas and there's a time to know when to let off. And if you're a new bear or somebody who's new to shorting and you think that, you're going to jump in on this move now, a month later, after the stock has been shorted down 10 points and still make another 10 points, you're just out of your mind. Okay? It just doesn't work that way. So the upside here on SoFi is to the bulls. The bulls need to do their part. They need to hold their shares. They need to continue to buy more. They need to see the volume pick up. They need to see the momentum pick up. They need to start reclaiming some of these levels of supply. It's going to be baby steps. It's not going to happen overnight. You're not going to get this stock closing at $15 today and tomorrow closing at 21. It's just not going to happen. Okay. But the longer they can continue to ride this price higher, you can squeeze out these smaller shorts who are going to exit out of their positions. With that being said, is going to draw more fuel to the fire and give you that advantage to get up to that next supply zone. With that being said, I'm going to break it down very, very simple. If you're looking to start a position in SoFi, your absolute stop is going to be $14. Okay. If you want to get long, we need to clear out this $15.28. Okay. So currently the stock is trading over that. So let's see how we open tomorrow. Do we get a dip? Can we reconfirm that 1530? And if we can close over the 10-day moving average at around $15.58, I think that looks like a fantastic opportunity to swing the stock into the 17s again. And depending on your long-term goal or your short-term goal, that could be sufficient enough for you. If you go in with 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 shares of this thing, you're looking to make a quick buck. More power to you. If you're looking to swing the stock a little bit longer, as long as we are holding some of these lower moving averages and we do not lose this bottom channel here at around 1391, I think you continue to hold. There's no reason technically right now is that it's going to tell me that to get out of the position. Nothing right now is going to tell me to get out of this position. We've held this range 1, 2, 3 times. If we do break down below $14 and close below, that technically is going to tell me to exit my position. As long as we are trading over this area and over this channel, that is going to tell me to hold my position. Guys, I hope that helps. If you want, join my Discord. That link is down in the description box below. Also, check out my website, evolutiontraders.com. Subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, drop me a comment, let me know what you guys think. All you haters, stay off of my comments. Just pisses me off. Like, if you guys don't like what I say, then just fucking go watch something else. But with that being said, I hope you guys all have a fantastic rest of the day and a fantastic rest of the trading week. Let's all make some money. J-Pal's got that money printer on. Everything was said today. Looks bullish. We already knew what was going to happen. Nothing changed the course. So unless something drastically changes in the big indexes, I think that we can start getting ready to see a little bit of push, especially on some of these stocks that, have been getting beat down as of late. But I hope that helps, and I will see you guys all on the next video.